In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new rules for QuickBooks transactions. This is an excellent way to automate your workflow, save time, and ensure all your financial data is organized just the way you need it. Whether you're a business owner trying to manage your expenses more efficiently, or an accountant looking to streamline reporting processes, setting up rules in QuickBooks can be a game changer. Let's dive right into the process. First, we'll navigate to QuickBooks. Open your browser and go to the QuickBooks homepage. Once you're there, the first thing you want to do is locate the menu option. This is usually on the left side of the screen. Click on it and it will expand to show you more selections. Now, with the menu expanded, go ahead and click on Transactions. Clicking on Transactions will bring you into the central hub of your financial activities within QuickBooks. Here you can see all inflows and outflows, making it a powerful area to create and manage rules. Next, look for the Rules tab. Clicking on Rules will take you to the section where you can view and manage all of the rules that have been set up to automatically categorize your transactions. This is a handy feature that helps ensure consistency and accuracy across your financial data, and it's especially useful when dealing with repetitive transaction patterns. Once you're in the Rules section, it's time to create a new rule. Find the button that says New Rule and click on it. This action will open up a new configuration window where you can input the specifics of the rule you'd like to create. In the configuration window, click on Create Rule. You'll need to make some important decisions here. First, determine a suitable name for your rule in the field. What do you want to call this rule? Choosing a clear and descriptive name will help you easily identify the rule later on. After naming your rule, move on to the next step, which is to decide on the criteria that this rule will apply to. Find the option that says Apply this to transactions that are, and make your selection from the drop-down menu. Here you can tailor the rule by identifying specific criteria such as descriptors in the transaction name, amount, or other defining features. Lastly, once you've customized your rule to your liking, it's time to save it. Find the Save button and click on it. This will ensure your rule is active and ready to automatically categorize relevant transactions as they occur, providing a seamless and efficient way to manage your financial data. And there you have it. Your new QuickBooks rule is set and will work behind the scenes to keep your transactions organized. By investing just a few minutes to set up these rules, you can avoid repetitive manual categorization and focus your efforts on more strategic business activities. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back regularly for more helpful QuickBooks tips and tutorials.